For earlier versions of InfoPath, Microsoft had a catalog of templates that were available for download. There were a number of templates for InfoPath 2003, even more for 2007, very few for 2010, and no new templates for InfoPath 2013. So if you don't have something to start with, you're going to be creating your templates from scratch. So you'll simply open InfoPath Designer. The form we're going to work with ultimately is going to end up being in a SharePoint form library, but it'll do many other things before it gets there. So we're going to use blank form and simply click Design or double-click blank form. And here we are, ready to start our form from scratch. So we're going to click to add a title, and this is a web post request form that we'll be creating first. Below it says Add Tables, so I can click here to add tables. I'll find those either on the Insert tab or the Page Design tab, and let's say that I wanted to be able to enter information basically across 4 columns. We have labels to the left, text boxes to the right. That's what this will look like. If I want to have a title up here at the top and a large subtitle, or simply the table itself, you point to whichever type of table you want, you'll get information about it. So I'm just going to say no heading. Drop in a table, and here it is. And then I can begin to do the other work that I would do on this form of adding controls. And I'm going to simply add one control to this form right now, and we'll see later what that's going to look like. But the control that I want to add to this form is called the date picker, and I'm going to add a date to this form. Notice that when I do that, it's called Field 1. That field is automatically added over here to my data specification. And if I wanted to, I could put today's date here by clicking on the label where it says Add Label and typing. So that's how this works. I can easily add controls, I can easily add tables, and this is how you begin creating a form from scratch.